Hey guys, today I'm going to show you what to do if your Nikon Z Camera Images lag definition. First, you need to make sure that the lens surfaces are clean. Use a blower to remove the dust and lint from the surface. Next, you want to select focus for your autofocus priority selection. Go to the menu and custom settings menu and select focus for custom settings A1, AFC priority selection, or A2, AFS priority selection. Uh, Release priority is the default for AFC continuous mode. Next, you need to check the picture control settings. The image processing options may not be adjusted to your taste, so the sharpness can be adjusted as your desired in the picture control quick sharp setting. Sharpening adjusts the fine details and outlines. Clarity does the overall sharpness and the sharpness of the thicker lines. Mid-range sharpening adjusts the sharpness of patterns and lines, not as fine as the details affected by sharpening, but it's finer than the lines affected by clarity. Choose higher values for sharper pictures and lower values for softer pictures. Next, you want to check the image quality and size. The pictures may lose definition when it's viewed at a high zoom or printed at large sizes, depending on the options selected for the image quality and the sizes they were taken. For higher resolution pictures, choose large for image size and JPEG fine for image quality. Now check diffraction compensation. Stopping aperture too far down because of depth of field may cause the loss of definition and the effects of diffraction even when the camera is in focus. So press the menu button and select on for diffraction compensation in the photo shooting menu. So thanks for watching and hope this helped you out.